Neighbor has her mother-in-law. She's an old lady, and this noise is happening since 15 days. This is pure torture. You shift us to some other flat and do this drama. You cannot do this. You cannot torture old people, okay? Dear Society Committee of Pearl Heights. There was confusion about Rahul Gandhi. No, there's no confusion. I have to vote for Modi ji. Why? Because I don't want India, Bharat to become Islamic. No way.
To God's law. They're not implementing it. They're violating His sanctity, and therefore, this is war against Allah and His Messenger. We are obliged as Muslims to take the authority away from the people who have it and implement the Sharia. Now, I hope that can come in a very peaceful way. I hope that we can do that in a way, where there's no bloodshed. The Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that if the Muslims have authority and they have the ability to remove oppression, they must remove the oppression. So we believe man-made law is oppression, because they are implementing non-Islamic law, violating their own sanctity. So, if we are in a position of power and authority, we are obliged to take that authority, with the minimum force and to implement the Sharia, certainly. So, this will be the case one day in Britain.
And when you talk about jihad, you're not talking about spiritual striving. You're talking about military jihad.
No, I think there are two types of jihad in which people are engaging in today. One is the jihad of the word, and the other is the jihad of the sword. So in Britain, we are engaged in the jihad of the word. And, it's as important to remove the ideological foundation and, if you like, the pillars of Western civilization, like democracy and freedom and secularism, and to expose them and to bring back people to worshipping the one true Lord, which is Allah, as much as it is important to remove the physical obstacles, which is the non-Islamic regimes, the occupying forces, the Republican Guard, which support those leaders in our own countries.
What do you think the timetable is for implementing Sharia in Great Britain? Do you feel like you're getting close?
I would point towards, Tunisia and Egypt and these countries to show you how quickly things can change. It could be in a year or 5 years where people could be, rejecting the kind of liberal democracy. They're unhappy because, the basic needs are not being met. They're looking for alternatives. And, revolutions happen very quickly. So, I don't know how quickly the Sharia will come. Perhaps in 5 years, perhaps in 10 years. Demographically speaking, even within the next 15 or 20 years, Islam could be, the major religion of countries like Britain and Belgium and France and these other European nations. Because of the rate at which people are reverting to Islam, the number of...
Welcome,
ये मेरे हिसाब से ये कल में हो जाएगा, कल या मैक्स टू मैक्स 2-3 घंटे कल और 2-3 घंटे परसों, मैक्स टू मैक्स। नहीं तो कल हो जाना चाहिए काम। ये ऊपर का तोड़ते हैं, उससे बाकी सब टूटा हुआ है, सारा हो गया है।
So, yeah, the sun is setting. I went to the gym. The gym is too dirty. I forgot to click a video. The secretary sent an apologizing message to my husband. The thing is that मेरे husband ने मुझे बोला कि the secretary ने उनको बोला कि वो भूल गए कि हम लोग out of town थे. But पता है क्या, जब हम लोग out of town थे तब हमारे secretary साहब ने मेरे husband को फ़ोन किया था, कुछ पाइप लीकेज हुई थी हमारे टेरेस के ऊपर, and he called up to kind of take the terrace keys which are kept downstairs. तो सेक्रेटरी साहब को ये पता था कि हम आउट ऑफ टाउन हैं, और हमारे पाइप लीकेज पे उन्होंने ऑब्वियसली कॉल किया मेरे हस्बैंड को सुबह के 7 बजे, मगर वो भूल गए कि जो ये ब्रेकेज का काम करना है वो हमारे घर के ऊपर ख़त्म कर ले 17 दिन के अंदर। Lovely. Awesome ना? I just love this. Anyways, I just read a news where a Punjabi boy or a boy in Punjab was beaten to death in a Gurudwara, outside a Gurudwara, because he did something wrong. But nobody has the right to beat him to death. What kind of radicals, man? He tore the pages of a holy book. So a mob beat him to death. A mob. That reminds me, let me recollect the entire route of mine to Golden Temple. I went with my husband and some contacts, local contacts, in their car to Golden Temple. We went to the management office. I had gone there earlier, like 10 years back, when I had visited Golden Temple with my husband only. Yeah, you will dig up some pictures of ours if you do a Google search. But at that time, we had told our PR and everything, and we had gone there. Anyway, the management knew my husband, so the management knew the husband. So then they sent their person to take us inside the temple. We had already gone earlier, so we knew the route. Now the person was just one person, but we were like, okay, he's the management ka aadmi, he will take us inside. Apparently there was a mob at the entry gate. So he told us, come from the side. Hum tup ke gaye, and he took us inside and he threw us. He led us into the mob. We thought probably 2-3 other people from the management will come and they will make a path for us, just like during Ram Mandir Darshan. We had a separate line for VVIP, which is okay. Yeah. And the other line also was a line. General line was also a line. It was not a mob. It was a moving line. It was not a salab of people. Okay? In a salab of people, a child can get crushed. And an old person can get crushed. Anybody can be pressed at wrong places. Okay? So that Sardarji took us to the mob, led us to the mob. First my husband, and made my husband lead me to the mob, and then suddenly he disappeared. So I thought maybe he's coming with 2-3 more of his other people to make a pathway for us. No, he disappeared. And I realized there was camera open. Means such dirty people, man. Such dirty people. They deliberately threw us in a mob. थैंक गॉड मेरा प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड चला. मैं कूदी, टप्पी और बाहर आई और मैं चिल्लाने लगी कि मुझे निकलना है. वो कोई वीडियो वायरल नहीं हुआ. 2 CCTV फुटेज थी. बट मैं अपने मोबाइल से अपना चिल्लाना तो शूट नहीं कर सकती थी ना, और अपना कूदना तो शूट नहीं कर सकती थी ना. सो आई जस्ट डिड वॉट एवर आई हैड टू डू एंड आई केम आउट. आई वाज जस्ट bothered that Sangram also comes out of the mob because he was like, नहीं मुझे दर्शन करना है. आप क्या दर्शन करोगे ऐसे जब आपकी इतनी इंसल्ट हो रही है. वहाँ पे अंदर भी he was telling that माथा टेकने ही नहीं दिया. Why are these people so egoistic यार? आप वहाँ पर गुरुजी के एम्प्लॉई हो, आप खुद गुरुजी नहीं हो, आप सेंट नहीं हो जो लोग ये मंदिर का देखभाल करते हैं. So this radical thought process that is seen in the Gurudwaras and the behavior of mismanagement is sad. Punjab Police, hi, how are you? Have a great day. Okay, it's Azan time. You can hear it. Loudspeaker in Delhi Park for Ram Bhajan. Loudspeaker in Yari Road, Mumbai for Azan. Drill machine in the day on my terrace above my flat. On the terrace above my flat. Lovely. We live in India. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.